LED Always On Edge is an Android application designed to enhance the functionality of a device's edge screen or display by providing customizable notifications and visual alerts. This app typically utilizes the device's screensaver or ambient display to keep users informed of messages, calls, and notifications without needing to unlock their phones. The application allows users to personalize various aspects, including colors, shapes, and sizes of notification lights, catering to individual preferences and enhancing the visual appeal of the device. Users can often set specific configurations for different apps, ensuring that important notifications stand out. Additionally, LED Always On Edge may offer features like battery-saving modes and the ability to display custom animations or information, such as time or weather updates. This not only adds a decorative touch, but also provides practical utility. Overall, LED Always On Edge is a useful tool for Android users looking to improve their notification management and add a unique flair to their device's display while keeping essential information easily accessible at a glance.